Okay, everybody, welcome to your Pick a Card Tarot reading for the solar eclipse in Libra. What transformative gifts does this powerful solar eclipse have in store for you? So take a moment to reflect on the cards and choose the one that most resonates with you. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. If you chose card number 1, the Justice card, upright is a beacon of light for you during this eclipse, bringing that much needed balance back into your life. If things have felt a bit off kilter or unfair lately, fear not. The universe is stepping in to set the scales right for you. This is a time for clarity and honesty, especially in your relationships and dealings. You are advised to make decisions that reflect your true values and not to compromise on what matters most to you. Now, this card can indicate that karma is on the move, and what goes around comes around, as they say. Trust the process and remember that the truth will always come out. Your justice and or fair share is on the way, and harmony will be restored. If you chose card number 2, this eclipse is activating your intuitive senses in a big way. The High Priestess encourages you to pay attention to what is not being said, so observe more and speak less during this time. A secret may be revealed, or perhaps a deeper understanding for you unfolds, either by spoken word or your inner knowing, revealing a previously hidden truth regarding a person or situation. Spirit is guiding you with profound wisdom during this time, so pay attention to the signs and synchronicities around you. They are not mere coincidences, but messages from a higher source. Now, your path after this eclipse is illuminated by the light of truth. Trust yourself more as you hold the keys to your own understanding. If you chose card number 3, this eclipse presents a significant choice for you. You may find yourself at a crossroads when it comes to matters of the heart. Whether it's about love, a partnership, or a major life decision, the path of harmony and truth is calling you. Trust your heart. This may mean taking those first initial steps in a new direction, or perhaps making some bold changes. This is a pivotal moment of transformation as the eclipse reveals a path or option that resonates with your soul. Your mind may be mulling over the decision, but deep down, your heart has already made its choice.